In this tutorial I will show you how to paint a delicate lotus flower. Let's start to paint the first layer of petals. Use a light wash of pink or purple at the base of each petal on dry paper. Before the paint dries, put more water and blend to soften the color outward. Add more color to create more depth if needed. Keep the petal edges light by leaving some areas untouched. While the surface is still wet, apply a darker shade of pink. Continue to apply the same steps for the rest of the petals. Add more darker color to deepen the shadows. When all layers are dry, use wet on dry technique to refine petal edges and define crisp details. Add thin brush strokes of darker pink in the areas of shadow. This way you create extra contrast. Now you can paint the stem using a light green wash for the first layer. Once dry, I add darker green layer for shadow. Always use wet on wet technique to add a soft blend of color. Your watercolor lotus flower is complete now. Thank you for watching.